In continuation of studies of the details of electrochemical cell, the galvanic cell, now we are going to study about Nernst equation. Nernst equation gives us the correlation between the electrode potential, the standard electrode potential, and the concentration of different electrolytes in different half cells. It is not necessary that electrolytic concentrations are always balanced on 1 m or they are always at 1 m. They can be different also. In that case, how to calculate the electrode potential? That relationship is given by the Nernst equation. The Nernst equation for any electrode can be written. It is equal to E electrode, any electrode, Mn plus M. This combination is representing an electrode, a metal electrode, where Mn plus N is the number of charge. Mn plus is representing the ionic species that is separated by a slash from the metal solid. E naught M N plus M minus RT upon NF natural log M upon Mn plus. Say this is first equation. M is the concentration of metal solid. Mn plus is the concentration of ionic species. This can be written for any electrode. Say for example we have E zinc. How will we write down the E of zinc? That is ionic species in contact with the reduced species, oxidized species in contact with the reduced species. This is called as redox couple. So what is the redox couple? Any metal ionic species is written in contact with the reduced species, its own reduced species, like this. What will it be? It will be E naught Zn minus RT upon N. N is the number of electrons transferred. So if we write the species of zinc, in case of the galvanic cell, zinc gets oxidized to zinc ions, losing 2 electrons. So N is the number of electrons transferred. How many electrons have been transferred here? 2 electrons. 2F natural log the concentration of the metal, the activity of a metal solid is taken as to be 1. It is equal to 1 upon Mn plus. This is for any electrode. Say for example zinc electrode that we have taken for galvanic cell. In the same way, another electrode was copper electrode, copper cathode. We can write E cathode, that is E copper, equals to E naught copper. The redox couple is to be written in the same way, oxidized species in contact with the reduced species, minus RT upon 2F. In case of this the reduction reaction of copper ions, the 2 electrons were being used to reduce it to copper solid. So the number of electrons transferred here is again 2F natural log, and here M, that is the metal solid state, again it will become 1 upon copper ions. This is the third equation. Now we know what is E cell. E cell is E cathode minus E anode. Also we can write that E naught cell will also be E naught cathode minus E naught anode. We write the values of this E cell, that is equal to E naught cell. E naught cell will be what? E naught cell minus RT upon NF. We have to find this E naught cell. So RT upon NF natural log. Now we have to see what is the form of the species that will be obtaining here. E naught cell. E naught cell is E naught cathode minus E naught anode. E naught cathode minus E naught anode. What is the value of E naught cell? E naught cell means E naught cathode. E naught cathode is what? E naught Cu2 plus minus E0 zinc electrode. This will be E cell, E cathode minus E anode. Same way, E0 cell will be equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So first we find E cell. E cell equals to E cathode minus E anode. So we can say that E copper minus E zinc. Now what is E copper? What is E zinc? E copper is equal to E0 copper minus RT upon 2F natural log 1 upon copper ions. This is E copper minus what is E zinc? E zinc is equal to E0 zinc minus RT upon 2F natural log 1 upon zinc ions. This is our E copper minus E zinc. Now let us take them together. E0 copper minus E0 zinc. This we can take together, and minus RT upon 2F natural log. If we see this, 1 upon copper ions minus 1 upon this is in the natural log, minus 1 upon natural log 1 upon zinc ions. So what will it become? It will be reversed. The division, the subtraction in case of log is division, zinc ions upon copper ions. We can write it as E0 cathode minus RT upon 2F natural log zinc ions upon copper ions. Hope you have understood the concept of this E0 cathode minus E0 anode is equal to cell. So what do we get? E cell equals to E0 cell minus RT upon 2F natural log zinc ions upon copper ions in case of galvanic cell. This is the Nernst equation written for a cell. This can be written for the different combinations of anode and cathode. Here, as we have taken zinc anode and copper cathode, we can write this R, T, F values, and we can convert this natural log to log with the base 10. Substituting the values, converting this natural log to log 10, log with the base 10, taking R as a gas constant, that is 8.314. T is the temperature, that is 25 degrees Celsius, 298 Kelvin. F is the Faraday, that we can take equal to 96500 coulombs. So 2 Faradays of electrons have been used up, that is 2 into 96500. So solving this term, what we get? We get E0 upon E0 minus 0.059 upon 2. F has also been substituted, 96500, 8.314 into 298, and this natural log has been also converted to log with the base 10, that is 2.303, multiplied by with this log zinc ions upon copper ions. So this is the way we can calculate E cell if the ionic concentrations are known, E0 electrode is known, E0 cathode is known. This is E0 cell because it is E0 cathode minus E0 anode. This is Nernst equation for this combination of the cell. Now, for any general reaction, say for example we have AA as a reactant, BB giving CC plus BD. What will be the form of the E cell? E cell can be written as E0 cell minus RT upon NF log Kc. What will be this log Kc? Here it will be natural log because we have not converted it yet to the terms. It will be E0 cell minus RT upon NF, or if we are bringing it to that another term with the log with the base 10, 0.059 upon N log, what will be the Kc? Kc will be equal to C raised to the power C, D raised to the power D upon A raised to the power A, B raised to the power B. This is the way we can write or we can calculate E cell for any reaction, for any combination of different electrodes.